Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. How to have soft hands in less than 1 minute. Ladies are known for their delicate hands, however there are numerous things that disturb them. Things like overwashing, chilly climate, and chemical cleaning supplies make our hands dry and cracked. Anyhow, you don't need to experience the ill effects of dry hands. It will take not as much as a minute, yes, that is correct. In under a moment, you could have delicate hands. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons olive oil. Technique: pour the sugar into the palm of your hand, making a mug out of it. At that point pour in the oil. Rub the mixture between your hands, and afterwards keep on spreading it over your hands. Deliberately work in roundabout movements to clean off the dead skin. Wash well and apply moisturizer as required for the duration of the day.